Hi, my name's Rob Wick. I'm with Dynamic Solutions Worldwide. We were founded 10 years ago on the trap that started it all, the DT1000. We've grown considerably since then. What our traps do is it's a safe, silent, and simple way to get rid of mosquitoes and other biting insects. The technology works a little bit differently than all the other traps out there or zappers. It's not a zapper, it's a trap, and it does more than just attract with light. It's a unique combination of light and a titanium dioxide coating on the inside of the trap that attracts insects by creating carbon dioxide and trace amounts of water vapor. Those are the same ingredients that are in our exhaled breath, and that's what female mosquitoes and other biting insects are interested in, and that's how they find us. So when they come to find out exactly what is causing that CO2, they get sucked into the trap where they dehydrate and die by a fan. This is the DT160. This is new for 2019. It's our quarter-acre trap, and it brings in the price point that many of the consumers in the marketplace were asking for. This would retail for $69.99, and the other version of it is our Sonata stone-colored version, a little more decorative, and it's retailing for $74.99. Same technology that all of our outdoor traps use, and that is the light along with the CO2 and water vapor emittance that attracts and traps and kills mosquitoes, midges, no-see-ums, biting flies, but not beneficial insects like pollinators like bees, butterflies, dragonflies. They're not attracted to the UVA wavelength that all of our traps have, as well as CO2. Also new for 2018 and 2019 is the Fly-Lite fly trap. This is a little bit different technology in that it uses UVA wavelengths that is attractive to house flies, drain flies, fruit flies, even stink bugs, mosquitoes, and other flying insects. What's nice is it looks like an attractive wall sconce or a night light. But if you'll notice, what you don't see is the catch. And this is an actual example taken from one of our employees' houses. And this comes with 3 replacement cards. And we also have, of course, replaceable bulbs and glue cards available in separate packs to be sold. This is the new Attracta mosquito lure for 2019. It's meant to supercharge any of the traps that we sell. It can be used in our traps as well as competitive traps. Typically what you're going to do, it's just a little pouch, little sachet that you throw inside the basket of any of our traps. It's a 60-day sachet, meaning that it's good for 60 days, in which case you would replace it. So you might use 2 for a season.